Dear friends, welcome to Joe's Simple Kitchen. Today we are going to make sambar rice in instant pot. We are going to make one shot sambar rice. For that we have half cup chopped red onion, 2 medium sized tomatoes chopped. We have murunga drumstick, one whole drumstick. We cut it into small 2-inch long pieces. And other vegetables are, we have carrot around 1 cup, we have wall beans, flat beans, and we have chayote squash. It looks like that. This is good for sambar rice as well as sambar. We have half cup of chayote squash, and we have 1 cup of rice and half cup of tur dal. We soaked the rice and tur dal in water for 10 minutes. This will give nice smooth sambar rice. Here we have chopped cilantro little bit, and we have tamarind. We have around half-inch ball of tamarind for making sambar rice. You need to soak it in water. You can soak it in warm water and make tamarind juice. So we soaked a half-inch ball of tamarind imli in warm water. So we are going to take tamarind extract or tamarind juice from this, and we have 1.5 tablespoon of sambar powder. If you have, you can use sambar powder or you can make instant sambar powder. For making instant sambar powder, refer our sambar recipe video. You can find the link in the description. We have cumin seeds half teaspoon, mustard seeds half teaspoon, and turmeric powder half teaspoon, and we have little bit of curry leaves which gives flavor. To start the process, set the instant pot in saute mode and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we will start adding ingredients. Now the oil is hot, we are adding mustard seed and cumin seed. Curry leaves, red onions. Now we add tomato, followed by vegetables. Carrots, wall beans, drumsticks, chayote squash. We are going to cook everything together in one pot. So all the vegetables, dal, rice, everything is going to be cooked together. Let it get fried for 1 minute. Sambar powder, turmeric powder, and we will mix it together. We are not going to add salt now. Salt will be added after the dal everything is cooked, after it is pressure cooked. Otherwise it will take longer to cook the dal. We are making this in instant pot. Same recipe can be used for pressure cooker, regular pressure cooker. We can follow the same step by step. Now we add the juice, turmeric juice. We added sambar powder and turmeric juice along with 1 cup of water. Now we add the soaked dal and rice. We have half cup of dal and 1 cup of rice. We are going to cook this in 4 cups of water. So we already added 1 along with the turmeric juice. We will add 3 more. We added 4 cups of water. We are, until now it is in saute mode. We are going to pressure cook this now. We are making sambar rice one shot. We can make sambar separately also. You can check the link in the description to make instant pot sambar. Now we will pressure cook it for 12 minutes. Put the lid on. Set it to pressure cook for 12 minutes. Sambar rice is cooked. We waited for more than 10 minutes. The pressure is gone. Now we can open. Sambar rice in one pot. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix it well. Sambar rice is ready. One pot sambar rice. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee while serving. Garnish it with cilantro leaves. Sambar rice goes very well with papad. You can serve it with papad. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found it useful, subscribe to get instant notifications.